Hey there, history buffs and architecture enthusiasts. Today, we are diving into a fascinating story about a medieval venue in Norwich, England, that's getting a modern makeover. Get ready for a journey through time and a glimpse into the future of this historic space. Imagine a 14th century building, a living piece of history, that's about to be reopened after a major renovation. St. Andrew's Hall and Blackfriars Hall, collectively known as the Halls, are preparing for their grand comeback after a much-needed facelift. But this isn't just any old renovation, it's a thoughtful transformation designed to breathe new life into an ancient space. Now, personally, I think it's incredible how these venues, with their rich medieval roots, are being adapted for modern use. It's a delicate balance, right? Preserving the past while making it relevant and accessible for today's audiences. And that's exactly what this project aims to achieve. The key focus of the renovation has been to enhance the building's functionality and accessibility. The roof, a crucial element in any historic building, has undergone essential repairs. But it's not just about fixing what's broken, it's about making the halls a versatile, multi-use venue. By improving the lighting and audiovisual technology, the space can now accommodate a wider range of events and performances. What makes this really interesting is the attention to detail. The project team has considered the flow of the building, ensuring that visitors can experience more of its hidden gems. The cloisters, often overlooked, will now be a prominent feature, thanks to thoughtful design choices and the use of materials and colors that highlight the building's unique character. In my opinion, this renovation is a brilliant example of adaptive reuse. By making the halls more accessible with new lifts and ramps, the venue becomes inclusive and welcoming to all. It's a step towards ensuring that everyone can enjoy and appreciate this historic treasure. But it hasn't been an easy journey. The project team faced challenges due to the use of outdated building materials. However, their dedication to safeguarding the halls for future generations is commendable. They've taken on the task of modernizing while preserving the integrity of the original structure. The hope is that the halls will become an anchor point for Norwich's cultural and community life. And with the improvements made, it's easy to see how this venue can become a vibrant hub, hosting a diverse range of events and attracting visitors from near and far. So, as we eagerly await the reopening of the halls, let's reflect on the importance of preserving our historical venues. It's a delicate dance between honoring the past and embracing the future. And in this case, it seems like the renovation has struck the perfect balance. I, for one, can't wait to see the finished product and experience the magic of this medieval venue brought to life for a new generation. Until next time, keep exploring and appreciating the wonders of history.